Who's wearing a wig? I'm not wearing a wig. I think we all have those days where you want to just head out the door, or it's a non-wash hair day and you're trying to find a quick and easy hairstyle. This is about to come in clutch. Bobby pins, brush. It has 2 hair ties. I don't think I will be using these, and then a little clip. They didn't have it in my exact color, but they do have a variety of color options available. Actually pretty soft. Sometimes these synthetic wigs be getting tangled, y'all. I just wanted to pick up my hair. Then I'm gonna go in with like this kind of brush to smooth it. My line's not even that straight, but y'all get the gist. Get one of these ligas, pull your hair through. So once you got your ponytail, I'm gonna use the second liga. Just do like a little bun. We are ready for the finale. Let's try it out. It's like just a basic clip. Super easy. So clip, bitch. Make sure it's like straight. I'm done. Girl, what wig? Let me know what you guys think. Is this a flop or not?